I'm here with another purchase. This is a 1985 300D. This car had a bad starter when I picked it up and some other issues, but it's in very nice shape, as you can see. The woodwork is very nice. So it's got a beautiful interior, which is a bonus. But it's got this tick when it runs. You hear it? Obviously you can hear it. Well, that's the 85 300D. I'll play with it for a little while here. I got it running this morning. We rebuilt the starter in it and adjusted the valves in it. I'm running some diesel purge through it, and I put some new glow plugs in it and got it fired back up. If I can figure out this knock, of course, it'd be a really nice little car again. This is running on the diesel purge. It doesn't seem to be burning any oil. In fact, the exhaust is very clean. I can see a little tiny bit of smoke, but nothing major. Alright. So you got a clean trunk in it. If nothing else, it'll be a great little parts car. And even the molding is good around the windows. I robbed some of the air conditioning system from it already, but just the high-low switch and the extension valve. Let the diesel purge run through it here. So we got a little Kenwood CD player in it. New speakers and stuff. I don't know. Even the glove compartment works. Huh. Anyway, if somebody can help me out with this knock, kind of give me an idea what you think it might be. Come back out to it again.